Hello, my name is Diane. Welcome to this session where we will discuss time of use reports for print and email, which are available in the Oracle Utilities Opower Home Energy Reports version 3. In this session, we will talk about this new feature and how it can impact your business. I will give you an overview of time of use reports for print and email, followed by more detail to explain how you would use them and the benefits to your business. Then I'll walk you through a demonstration. Finally, I'll provide you with some additional resources. The goal of the time of use report is to motivate customers on time of use plans to reduce their energy use, especially at peak times. This can reduce their future energy bills. The report provides information about their rate plan as well as overall energy savings. There are two types of reports: time of use welcome report and time of use progress report. The welcome report is the first report that a new or legacy customer on a time of use plan receives as part of their Home Energy Report version 3 program experience. The progress report is focused on general energy efficiency and money-saving goals for customers on a time of use plan. The fundamental difference between a Home Energy Progress Report and the Time of Use Progress Report is the presence of the Time of Use 101 and Disaggregation Tips modules that we will discuss during the demo. The report is available in both a print and email format, and each contains a predefined mix of dynamic and static modules. We are going to first take a look at the modules in the email report and then discuss the modules in the print report. Let's take a look at the time of use reports, both the welcome and progress versions. Here we have the time of use welcome report for email. The first module in this report is actually the subject line, which is not shown here. For both the welcome and the progress reports, it is a static subject line that is energy efficiency focused. The second module is the header, seen here, which includes the utility logo, account number, and a colorful introduction to the report. Next, you see the welcome module, which introduces customers to the Home Energy Report experience. The welcome module provides additional context so that recipients know what to expect in their current Home Energy Report experience and subsequent reports. Similar to the standard Home Energy Report version 3 experiences, the main insight module can be configured to use a 3-bar neighbor comparison or the efficiency zone neighbor comparison. The 3-bar neighbor comparison in the main insight module uses a horizontal bar graph to compare the customer to efficient homes and similar homes. This module also contains an insight statement indicating where the customer falls into one of 3 states: great, good, or using more than average. The efficiency zone neighbor comparison in the main insight module is a bar graph designed to motivate customers to save energy by comparing them to similar and more efficient homes. If the customer's bar is at the green vertical threshold line or to the left of it, they are considered to be in the efficiency zone. This threshold represents the average use of the most efficient 20th percentile of similar homes during the bill period, and it changes with each report. The Time of Use 101 module educates customers on when electricity is most expensive based on their specific rate plan at the time the report is generated. It also provides general educational information on why saving during peak is important. It includes a heading, weekday graph, weekend graph, explainer, call to action, and seasonal details where applicable. The time of use report includes 3 types of tip modules that appear in the report on a rotating basis: 2 tips, disaggregation tip, and large appliance tips. The 2 tips module, which you see in this example, consists of a peak savings tip and an anytime savings tip that are focused on time of use plan savings. We also have the disaggregation tips module. This module includes 1 or 2 general energy efficiency tips that use disaggregation data to tell the customer why the tip is relevant to them. It also includes a savings estimate of how much they can save by acting upon the tip. Finally, it includes a link to the utility tip guide where the customer can access additional tips and recommendations. The large appliance tip module highlights 4 large appliances that typically consume a lot of electricity when run, and provides a link to where customers can learn more about saving energy. This module is designed to help educate customers on time-of-use rate plans about the types of appliances that they should try to avoid during peak hours when electricity is highest in demand. The module has two seasonally specific states, hot weather and cold weather. As with all email home energy reports, you have the option to include one or more of three modules: a customer feedback module to solicit feedback from customers about the usefulness of the email home energy report, a mini home energy analysis module to prompt users to answer simple yes/no questions about their home attributes, or a full home energy analysis module that prompts customers with a sample question and a link to complete it and other survey questions. And finally, the footer module provides standard information such as the utility address, disclaimers, and the ability to manage preferences or unsubscribe. The progress report contains all of the same modules as the welcome report, but instead of the welcome module, it only has the energy use benchmark. The energy use benchmark module provides a dynamic and personalized at-a-glance interpretation of the customer's energy use. It has three sections that indicate overall customer status in relation to their energy use: fair, good, and great. The benchmark is used in context with the 3-bar neighbor comparison or the efficiency zone neighbor comparison, which is the next module. The print versions of the time-of-use welcome and progress reports are very similar to the email versions, with a few key differences. Let's look at how the welcome and progress report print versions are different. We'll start with the welcome report. Like the email version of the welcome report, the print version includes a header on the front of the report and the 3-bar neighbor comparison or efficiency zone, a time-of-use 101 module, and utility info module, similar to the footer in the email version, all on the back. However, the main insight or 3-bar neighbor comparison module and quadrant modules can be reversed, so if savings is a priority, we suggest using the 3-bar neighbor comparison or efficiency zone module on the front. In addition to those modules, the print version also includes introduction, announcement, and welcome quadrant modules on the front, as well as the page turn module, which encourages the customer to continue reading the back of the report. Let's describe each of these modules. The introduction and announcement modules appear at the top of the report. They introduce the customer to the home energy report experience and state the intent of the report. The Welcome Quadrant module educates new customers on the key features and benefits of the time-of-use report experience. The quadrant focuses on orienting customers to the 4 parts of their time-of-use report experience, which are a normative comparison to drive energy savings, tips or actions the customer can take to reduce energy use, information about their time-of-use plan, and variable insights that tell the customer what to expect from the report over time. Now let's look at the progress report. Instead of the introduction, announcement, and welcome quadrant modules, which are designed to introduce new customers to the report experience, the front of the progress report includes the energy benchmark and explainer modules. The back of the report includes time-of-use report tips modules. Let's describe each of these modules. On the progress report, as previously explained for the email reports, the energy use benchmark module provides a dynamic and personalized at-a-glance interpretation of the customer's energy use and provides a status of fair, good, or great. The explainer module tells the customer what data is used to calculate the efficiency zone or neighbor comparison module. And the time-of-use tips module, as mentioned before, rotates between the disaggregation tip, large appliance tips, and 2 tips. This example shows the disaggregation tip. As you can see, the time-of-use welcome and progress reports, both email and print versions, provide pertinent information to the customer in an engaging format to educate them on their time-of-use plan and motivate them to reduce their energy use. For additional information about this feature, see the Energy Efficiency Cloud Service Documentation Library and Overview on Oracle Help Center, available at docs.oracle.com. This concludes this presentation. Thanks for watching.